Alright, so this is my bike check. So the main part of the bike right here is going to be this killer custom built solid bikes frame. Got some Demolition Elite forks. Some Primo Sam Squatch bars. The tapered tapered crossbar. Some green SSD cables. The Odyssey mono lever. M2 lever. Demolition calipers. Demolition revolt cranks. Profile weight sprocket 32. Profile mini hubs. Front and rear. And profile Mark Mulville signature push stem 48mm. Titanium spokes front and rear. G-Sport roll cages wherever the thing is. Some red line sealed PC pedals. Odyssey GTXR gyro and Odyssey headset. Demolition market seat. BSD seat post. Demolition bottom bracket. Maxxis Drifter 2.1 front tire. And Maxxis Torch 195 rear. Love these tires. Insanely grippy. I went from riding Demolition Momentums to these, and at first it was really awkward going from riding 2.3 front. Basically after being inflated, it was like almost a 2.5 to riding a 2.2 front tire, and then going from a 2.2 rear to a 195 in the rear was pretty crazy. It made my bike handle so much better. Spins are way easier. Manuals are a little bit awkward because they're super responsive now. But this is the best riding bike I've ever had. Thanks to Solid Bikes for killer deal on the frame. On a 75.5 degree head tube angle, 70 degree seat tube angle, so it's not too steep, not too slack. 13-inch slammed rear end, 3/8 dropout. Whole bike weighs in at 19 pounds, 1 ounce. Just extremely light. So my gear ratio is a 32 sprocket and a 9-tooth driver. Got some insanely close clearance there. I wanted to run a 33, but it's not going to happen unless I want to throw a spacer in there and whack out my chain line really bad. But I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm also riding those clear Odyssey brake pads, and stops insanely well. Really loud too, though. Kind of annoys the shit out of everybody at the skate park. Can't forget ODI grips and snappy bar ends. Had those bar ends for like 6 or 7 years now, forever. One of the bolts is stripped out, so that kind of sucks. But oh well. I also got a Shadow Interlock V2 chain. Had it for like 3 years. I should probably replace it. It's stretched almost 7 links. So I think it's just about at the end of its life. And I should have changed that a long time ago. And now we're going to get a few clips in.